Now, students, to calculate examples of Poisson distribution, we require values of e raised to minus m, e raised to minus m. Actually, from this mouse, I cannot not write this properly, but uh, let us understand how you can calculate the value of this thing, e raised to minus m. Here they are denoting this by lambda, but in our textbooks we generally use m. So let us understand how you can calculate this value e raised to minus m using this table. This table will be provided in your examinations. So this type of table will be provided to you in your examinations. So how you to use? Suppose that you require value of e raised to minus say 3. How you will find this value? So first thing is you must have to observe only this column. Now for minus 3, observe this column. Observe this column. So I can say that we will use only this first and second column. Now find out 3 in this column. 3. See, here this value is 3. And for this second column, this value is 0.050. So I can say that value of e raised to minus 3 is 0.050. Okay. Suppose that you require value of e raised to minus say 1.5. How I will get? So I will observe this first column. I will find 1.5 in this column. Here it is. And this number is 0.223 written against 1.5. So value of e raised to minus 1.5 will be 0.223. So this value is equal to 0.223. Okay. So this is how this table can be used to get various values of e raised to minus m. So kindly remember this table is known as cumulative probability of Poisson distribution. In Gujarati, they are writing Poisson વિતરણ માટે સંચયી સંભાવના કોષ્ટક. Okay. So this table will be used to find out this type of values. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.